Nipple confusion in babies refers to a situation where a baby has difficulty transitioning between breastfeeding and bottle feeding or struggles to latch onto the breast. Why does nipple confusion occur? Number 1. Different sucking mechanisms. Breastfeeding requires a baby to use their jaw, tongue, and mouth muscles in a coordinated way to extract milk. It's an active process that involves a deeper latch. Bottle feeding typically requires less effort because milk flows more easily, often with minimal suction. Number 2. Ease of milk flow. Bottles may deliver milk faster than the breast, making the baby prefer the easier method and causing frustration when breastfeeding. Number 3. Timing of introduction. Introducing bottles or pacifiers too early, before breastfeeding is well established, increases the likelihood of nipple confusion. Signs of nipple confusion in babies. Baby refuses to latch onto the breast. Baby becomes frustrated during breastfeeding and cries or pulls away. Prefers bottle feeding over breastfeeding. Difficulty maintaining a proper latch on the breast. Shorter breastfeeding sessions with signs of ineffective feeding. Preventing nipple confusion. Number 1. Delay introducing bottles or pacifiers. Avoid using bottles or pacifiers until breastfeeding is well established, typically around 4 to 6 weeks. Number 2. Use breast-like nipples. If a bottle is necessary, choose nipples designed to mimic the shape and flow of the breast. Number 3. Paced bottle feeding. Use a feeding technique that slows the milk flow and mimics breastfeeding, encouraging the baby to work for milk as they would at the breast. Number 4. Frequent breastfeeding. Offer the breast often to reinforce breastfeeding skills and ensure milk supply remains adequate. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips on pregnancy, breastfeeding, and parenting.